My name is Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNHero.com. In this week's video, I'll be talking about our sponsor, the news of the week, the user group meetings that will be happening next, and the videos that are posting over the course of the next few days. So to get started, let's talk a little bit about our sponsor, Premium DNN. They do offer DotNetNuke hosting, and they have a couple of different plans. They have something that they call a developer's plan. So have a look at them, check them out. They are offering a 75% discount to our viewers. So if you follow the link that I'll be posting below, you're going to be able to get a 75% discount in their services. Now, in terms of the news of the week, it will be all around .NET connections, which happened last week in Las Vegas. And one of the couple of things that I have gathered over from people that were posting tweets, that were posting blogs, that were recording interviews, I saw an interesting debate about whether we should use whether DNN should migrate the base code to C# or not. So there is a not a heated debate, but an interesting debate going on, and I saw a very good post from, I think it's from Peter. Not sure about his last name. I didn't take a note of that, but I'll be posting a link below to his post, to his blog post, and he is giving his view, his point of view there. Now, not that my opinion is much, but I'll give my opinion to the matter as well, just to be one more giving 2 cents to the discussion. My view is that if .NET figured out that C# will be better accepted by larger corporations, by medium to large corporations out there, so if they will have a better market penetration, if it will be easier to overcome objections, just go for it. Because at the end of the day, VB and C#, yes, they are different languages, they have different syntax, but behind the scenes, they're doing the same thing. And I'm a developer myself. If I can swing both ways, you know what I mean by that is, if I can work on C# and VB.NET without much problem, I'm pretty sure that everybody out there will be able to do that as well. And on top of that, for most of us, what we usually are doing is we are working around modules. So we are not really changing the core code, change the core framework. Yes, we may refer to the framework, we may have a look at how they are doing things there, and it may help us, but usually, and again, usually, I know that there are exceptions, but usually what we are doing is we are working on modules. We are enhancing the user experience, the client's experience with additional modules. And those additional modules, they can be done in either language. They can be done C# or VB.NET, whatever fits your will. And again, that's my take. So DNN Corp, if you guys figure out that it will be better accepted C#, go for it. And at the end of the day, this should bring more business to the ecosystem. If that means bringing more business to the ecosystem, it will be better to all of us. So that's my take, my personal take. Don't want to hit the debates, but I wanted to give my 2 cents. For me, it doesn't matter. Go for it if it will be better accepted, if it will enhance our ecosystem. Okay? Now, still about the DNN connections. Last week, I will be posting a link to some video interviews done from some guys on R2I. Very interesting interviews. They are talking with a bunch of vendors around DotNetNuke. They are talking with DNN staff. They have spoken with Chad Nash, with Stroll. So I'll be posting a link to their YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see just over 10 or 12 interviews there. Very interesting. Have a look there. Now, I also saw a blog post from Will Stroll. Will, I know that you liked writing, and I knew that you'd come up with something interesting to say about the interesting to report about last week's connection. So good recap of the whole event done by Will Stroll. So a link will be posted as well. Have a look, check it out. It will give you a bit of a summary of what happened there during those 4 days on DNN connections. Okay, so now in the next segment, let's talk a little bit about the user group meetings that will be happening over the course of the next few days. On November the 8th, you're gonna have Kansas City .NetNuke user group meeting. On November 9th, we're gonna have Orlando DNN user group meeting. And so those were the only 2 user group meetings that I saw happening in the next few days. And the link is below as well. Now, for the videos that I'll be posting during the course of this week, today, Monday, I'll be posting video 169, and I'll be talking about the auto sync file system option that you can find under host settings. So I'll be talking about that. Video 170, I'll be talking about how you, something very simple, but it was a question that came up to me last week from a client, from someone that is working with me, how to create a menu link to a file. Not to a page, but to a file, like a PDF, like a Word document. Video 171, I will be talking about how you can set up a chat module in your DotNetNuke sites. Now, interesting, because I saw one post about a new chat module that is coming along in one of the projects on .NetNuke, but that was not the one that I have tried. I have tried a module called Swirl Chat. It worked well, so have a look, video 171. Video 172, I'll be talking about the users online module. It was a module that DNN, before they did the look and feel revamp, that they used to place in the homepage. It's a module that shows the total number of membership, in the last overall, in the last 24 hours, in the previous 24 hours. So that's what I'll be talking about on video 172. Video 173, I'll be talking about a module called CISS, side menu, not CSS, but CISS, side menu. With this module, what you can actually create is a vertical menu navigation inside the page based on the sub pages, on the sub navigation of the top menu. So interesting, if you want to go, let's say, to a top menu called About Us, and you want to show automatically the submenus on the right side. So have a look at this video, it will cover that, and it's video 173. That's basically it for this edition. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or if you want to subscribe to my newsletter, you can subscribe to my newsletter going to this box at the top here in the video page. Please do so. You're going to see my information below and next as well. That's it for now. See you next week, and thanks for watching. Bye.